pitched up to Kedar Jadhav. To do more. Great time of the year, and we really cherish these months because it's generally hot all over India. We get these 3-4 months. This is like Kolkata and Mumbai city. Cooler here than what we get in Mumbai city.